Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question, log base 8x minus log x base 16 which is equal to 0, and we have to find the value of x here. So we can write log x base 8 minus log x base 16 is equal to 0 as log x base 8 which is equal to log of x base 16. Now by using logarithmic rule, which is log of bx is equal to log of x base m divided by log of b base m. So it will become, according to this rule, log of x divided by log of 8 which is equal to log of x divided by log of 16. Now here we have 8 and 16, and 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 and 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. So it will become log of x divided by log of 2 raised to the power 3 which is equal to log of x divided by log of 2 raised to the power 4. Now here we will again apply logarithmic rule, which is log of x raised to the power m is equal to m log of x. So it will become log of x divided by 3 log of 2, and it will become log of x divided by 4 log of 2. Now here log of 2 and log of 2 is common on both sides, so it will be cancelled out, and we have remaining 1 divided by 3. It will become 1 divided by 3 log of x, and it will become 1 divided by 4 log of x. Now again we will apply this logarithmic rule, which so it will become log of x and its power 1 divided by 3, and here log of x and its power 1 divided by 4. Now we will apply this logarithmic rule, which is log of x is equal to log of y. It's mean x is equal to y. So from here it will become x divided by 1 divided by 3 which is equal, x raised to the power 1 divided by 3 and x raised to the power 1 divided by 4. Now here we have power 1 divided by 3 and 1 divided by 4, and its common factor will become 12, so we will multiply power 12 on both sides. So it will become 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 12 and x raised to the power 1 divided by 4 raised to the power 12. As we know that a raised to the power m whole power n is equal to a raised to the power mn. So it will become x raised to the power 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 12, and here x raised to the power 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 12. So 3 1 times 3, 3 4 times 12, 4 1 times 4, 4 3 times 12. So it will become x raised to the power 4 is equal to x raised to the power 3. Now we will take x raised to the power 3 on left hand side, so it will become x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 3 which is equal to 0. And from here we have x raised to the power 3 is common, and we have left here x minus 1 which is equal to 0. Now we have two cases, that x cube is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x cube is equal to 0 and here x minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we will take cube root on both sides. Cube and cube root will be cancelled out and the value of x is 0 from here. And from here we will get the value of x which is equal to 1. Now we will check that the value of x satisfy our given equation or not. And the given equation is log of x base 8 minus log of x base 16 which is equal to 0. First of all we will use x is equal to 0. So we will put the value of x here, so it will become log of 0 base 8 minus log of 0 base 16 which is equal to 0. As log of 0 is undefined, so it's mean the subtraction of these two terms is also undefined. So it is not a solution. So x is equal to 0 is not a solution. So we will check for x is equal to 1. So it will become log of 1 base 8 minus log of 1 base 16 which is equal to 0. And log of 1 is equal to 0. So it will become 0 minus 0 which is equal to 0. And 0 minus 0 is 0 which is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 1 satisfy our given equation which is equal to log of x base 8 minus log of x base 16 which is equal to 0. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.